Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on rational expressions. So we're going to start off with a simple definition of what are rational expressions. So rational expressions are algebraic expressions that can be written down as a fraction with a numerator and denominator that can be written as polynomials. So then what are non-permissible values? Well, these are values that make the denominator equal to 0. And rational expression is not defined when its denominator is equal to 0. So we have to be really careful that when we divide something by 0, that's an undefined function. Okay, let's now look into an example. So consider the following rational expression. So in this question, we're asked to find the non-permissible values. So non-permissible values are the values that make the denominator equal to 0. Remember, if our denominator equals 0, then our rational expression is not defined. Okay, now let's look into our expression. So we have 5t over 4qr squared. So as I said before, we need to make sure that we do not divide by 0. Because if our denominator is 0, then our expression will be undefined. So we have to consider how to make 4qr squared not equal to 0. Because if this is 0, our expression is going to be undefined. So we have two cases to consider. We have 4q cannot be equal to 0, and second case is r squared cannot be equal to 0. So clearly when we divide by 4, q cannot be 0 because 0 divided by any number is actually 0. And here, same thing, square root it, and r cannot be 0. So therefore we have q cannot be 0 and r cannot be 0, because if q was equal to 0 and r was equal to 0, our denominator right here would be 0, and we cannot have that equal to 0 because if that was 0, our expression will be undefined. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was very helpful for all the students there working hard for their exams. Comment down below what videos you would like to see next. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video.